Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce time spent on proposals with Upwork. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce time spent on proposals with Upwork, follow these simple steps. Begin by creating a strong template for your proposals. Include essential sections such as an introduction, relevant experience, and a closing statement. Craft a personalized introduction that immediately addresses the client's project. Highlight your most relevant experience in the next section. Use bullet points to make this information easy to read. Tailor your template for different types of projects. Make a master list of your skills and achievements. Add specific details that relate directly to the job at hand. Next, focus on the project requirements outlined by the client. Always refer back to these requirements in your proposal. This shows that you have a clear understanding of what the client needs. Use Upwork's Saved Responses feature for common replies. This can help you quickly answer frequently asked questions. Consider using a project management tool to organize your proposals. Set deadlines for submitting your proposals to maintain consistency. Review your proposals for clarity and grammar before sending. Ensure your profile is up to date with relevant work samples. This builds credibility and increases your chances of being hired. Take note of feedback from clients to refine your proposal approach. Always be adapting your strategy based on what works best. Finally, stay persistent and keep refining your templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.